production demands multiple location printing on a single substrate, you don't need more printers, you just need a smarter system. Integrating the KGK Jet printhead into a custom traversing mechanism allows a single machine printhead to move fluidly along the axis, coding multiple lanes seamlessly. This innovative traversing mechanism saves manufacturers a substantial investment by eliminating the need for multiple printheads. Featuring a remarkably small footprint, the KGK Jet CIJ machine is built for seamless integration. It effortlessly prints up to 6 lines of text or complex barcodes and QR codes without ever sacrificing speed. This allows manufacturers to easily print real-time information across a wide surface area without stopping the line. Furthermore, with KGK Jet CIJ along with Traverse systems can also be dynamically adjusted for varying product widths and code placements. Versatile, precise, and cost-effective. It's the ultimate coding solution for modern production lines.